Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'm going to show you how you can use Robinhood app. So in order to use Robinhood app, all you need to do is, first of all, you will have to create an account. So for that, open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Robinhood. So after you locate the particular application, click the install button and install the application. Now in my case, I've already installed the application, so all you have to do is just locate Robinhood and then open it up. So then to create an account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now tap the sign up button located right at the bottom. Now first thing first, you'll have to begin by entering your email address. So provide in the email address and click the continue button. So after you're done entering your email address, now it's going to ask you to create a password. Since you're creating an account, so type in the password and click the continue button located right at the bottom. Now provide in your first name according to your government's ID and click the continue button. As soon as you do that, on the other interface, it's going to direct you to the page where you have to provide in all sort of details such as your contact details, your personal information and all that. To verify your identity, you'll have to follow the instructions. So click the continue button. Now provide in your phone number. So a verification code will be sent to an SMS. So all you have to do is just enter in the verification code as soon as you receive it. Now all you have to do is just copy the verification code. That you've already verified your phone number, click the continue button. Verify your date of birth. So for that, provide in your date of birth. After that, you also need to enter in your address. If you want to do it so, then you can do that as well. So as soon as you're done entering all of the information, then you'll be taken to the home page indicating that you've successfully completed the sign up process. Now all you have to do is just verify your identity. So in order to verify your identity, you have to take a picture of your government ID or your driving license or passport, all sort of things. So you can go through it, and that's basically how you can use Robinhood app. And now from further onwards, you can explore all sort of details. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.